Hey everyone, Cassie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel for another video. The other day I had a sneaky peeky for Miss Ink stamps using the Misery Loves Company, and I told you to come back if you wanted to see the whole thing. So here is the stamp set that is being released today, and it is a cutie. We've got some great sentiments to go along with all these little fun images. Get well soon, Iguana say, you're too kind, ooh bogeys, I miss you. Hello, no boys allowed, you're the best, sorry you're so miserable, oh crap, hope this card lifts your spirits, I hate it when the voices inside my head go silent, I never know what they're planning, and just thought you ought to know. And then we've got some really fun images. I love it, and there's matching dies. I am so excited about that. There are also a few other stamp sets available. Now, I don't have everything, but I have pretty close. So there's this one. This one's called So Charming, and this one has a lot of wonderful images in it as well. You're so charming, have a bang up day, accidents happen, and it's happy birthday, not happy birthday. And then look at, I mean, just lots of fun magical images to go along with it. It's so cute. This one does have a matching die. I don't have it, but you better believe I'm going to be getting it. So then the next one we have is called Magical Graduation, and this one only has 2 sentiments in it, but tons of great images. And I feel like all the sentiments that are in these could be used in this one as well. And this says, the next chapter is going to be great, and you're just my sort. And I love it. We've got even like a cat, a mouse, a little hedgehog, an owl, you know, graduation cap. So a lot of fun images in here as well. I think this one's a great one. We have a background, and oh, and this one does have a matching die as well. And I haven't gotten a chance to play with everything, so I do apologize for that. But here is a big 6x6 background. Love it. There's also another one. I don't have it. But these candles are in there as well, and there's matching dies for the candles. So how great is that? So you can have all your little candles cut out and whatnot. So love that. And then we do have a couple of stencils. Now, forgive me for not knowing the names of them, but one of them is like lightning bolts, and the other one is stars. These are great. And there's another one as well, but I don't have it. So yeah. And then I hope you got a chance to see the card that I made the other day. Let me grab that out. Okay, so here is the card that I made the other day. This one uses the Misery Loves Company. And if you want to see how I made her look like a ghost, you can head back to my channel and take a look at it. But I think this one is fun, turned out really fun. So yeah, I'm going to have a link to the store down below so that you can go check out all the new goodies. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Go ahead and tell me down in the description box which one of these is your favorite, because I would love to know. Or, you know, if there's one of these you're like, please, please, please make a card with this, which I plan to make cards with all of it. But yeah, so hit the like button, like and subscribe, all the fun stuff, and I will see you soon in another video. Bye, everybody.